The blades are cutting deeper this time. Chops the cane into 12-inch pieces pairedness, called billets. Raw, dirty, unprocessed, but inside every the leftover fiber, bagasse, becomes fuel, carrying soil, fiber particles, and chemical impurities from the fields.
Hazelnut paste, 13% of every Nutella jar. Smooth, rich, and dense. Now it waits for the sugar.
One pallet, 120 cartons. Stretch wrapped and labeled, this pallet is now sealed, stable, and ready for global distribution. The factory's job is almost done. The finished goods warehouse. Somewhere in the fields of Brazil, the ingredient that makes up 57% of every Nutella jar begins its journey.
The blades are cutting deeper this time.
We should check the clearance at the end.
Each cut must be clean and fast, because once separated from the root, the clock starts ticking. Inside the harvester, a second set of blades chops the cane into 12-inch pieces pairedness, called billets.
The race against time begins. Sugar inside these stalks starts breaking down the moment they're cut. Hundreds of trucks, thousands of tons of cane, all converging on one destination. At the factory gate, every truck is weighed. Every kilogram of cane is tracked and recorded.
Unloading begins. Tons of raw sugarcane kernel, minutes away from the first machine.
Raw, dirty, unprocessed, but inside every one of these stalks is the sugar that ends up in your Nutella jar. High-pressure jets blast away every trace of soil strain, because even the smallest impurity can contaminate thousands of liters of juice downstream. After washing, a manual inspection removes any pieces that could jam the machines ahead.
This single piece of sugarcane right here contains the sugar that will eventually end up in your Nutella. Let me show you exactly what
The shredder operates at over 1,000 RPM, tearing open every fiber, rupturing every cell that holds the sugar juice inside. What was solid cane seconds ago is now shredded fiber, soaked in raw sugar juice, heading straight into the mills. 6 roller mills in sequence, each one squeezing harder than the last. Over 95% of the sugar juice will be extracted here.
The leftover fiber, bagasse, becomes fuel. This factory powers itself from its own. This juice is raw and dirty, carrying soil, fiber particles, and chemical impurities from the fields.
Inside the clarifier, separation is happening. Clean juice rises. Everything that doesn't belong, sinks.
Slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, triggers a chemical reaction. Impurities clump together and become heavy enough to sink.
The juice is now clarified, golden, warm, and clean. But it's still mostly water. That changes next. The evaporator building, where water is stripped from the juice using nothing but steam and heat. 4 evaporator stages, each one removing more water. The juice enters thin and exits as thick, concentrated syrup. 55% of this liquid is now pure dissolved sugar. The evaporation is complete.
This syrup right here is about to become sugar crystals. What happens in the next room is where the real transformation begins.
The vacuum pan room. Inside these sealed vessels, syrup is boiled at temperatures far below normal.
Seed crystals, tiny perfect sugar crystals, are introduced. Every crystal in this pan will grow around these seeds.
Slowly, over hours, sugar molecules leave the liquid and lock themselves into perfect crystal structures. This is crystallization. The massacrete is discharged, a mixture of raw sugar crystals and molasses, ready for the centrifuge that will tear them apart. Activated carbon filtration. Thousands of microscopic pores in the carbon trap every color molecule, every organic impurity. Refinery crystallization is computer-controlled, precise temperature, precise seeding, precise timing. This is where pure white sugar crystals are born.
final centrifuge cycle. The crystals that remain inside this basket are refined white sugar, pure sucrose, 99.9% purity.
The rotary dryer removes every last trace of moisture from the crystals. Dry sugar stores better, flows better, and processes better.
White refined sugar, the result of this entire industrial chain. But for Nutella, this still isn't fine enough.
Sieving separates sugar into precise grades. For Nutella, Ferrero needs a specific particle size. Same sugar, same purity, but feel the difference. This one goes into regular products, this one goes into...
Industrial ball mills, thousands of steel balls tumbling at 40 RPM, grinding white sugar crystals down to particles.
Proved. Every gram of this sugar has passed Ferrero's quality gates. Now, it moves toward packaging and shipment to the Nutella factory.
Into 500 kilogram bulk bags, sealed, labeled, and ready. Each one destined for a Ferrero factory where Nutella is made. Tons of ultra-fine sugar, loaded and sealed. The journey from sugarcane field to Ferrero factory is almost complete.
25 microns. That's smaller than a human red blood cell. This is the sugar that goes into every single jar of Nutella worldwide.
Every batch of ultra-fine sugar is analyzed in the lab before it leaves this facility. Particle size, purity.
From refinery to factory tall, every kilometer brings this sugar closer to its final transformation.
This is where all ingredients converge into one of the most controlled food production systems on Earth.
Every batch of Nutella requires an exact, precise amount of sugar to be measured to the kilogram. Nothing is approximate in this factory.
50 hazelnuts go into every single jar of Nutella, each one inspected by machine and by hand before it gets any further.
Roasting at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes.
After roasting, the skins are removed mechanically. What remains is pure roasted hazelnut, ready to become paste.
Hazelnut paste, 13% of every Nutella jar. Smooth, rich, and dense. Now it waits for the sugar.
Ferrero processes their own cocoa, from raw bean to pure powder, inside their own facility. Complete control over every ingredient.
Sugar, hazelnut paste, cocoa powder, skim milk, vanillin. 5 ingredients entering one tank.
Hazelnut paste, 13% of every Nutella jar. Smooth, rich, and dense. Now it waits for the sugar.
Modified palm oil, heated to stay liquid, flows into the mixture. This single ingredient is what gives
Look at that. Right there in that tank is Nutella, but not yet the Nutella you know. It's still...
Temperature control during transfer is critical. If the mixture cools too quickly,
3 ball mills in series, each one refining the mixture further. Thousands of steel balls crushing every particle down to 25 microns or smaller.
Inside the mill, every particle is refined into a smooth, uniform texture.
This is the moment. After 3 ball mills, the mixture is now exactly 20-25 microns particle size.
Digital approval triggers the filling line automatically. No paper, no delay, and the system is fully connected from lab to production floor.
Every empty jar is inspected by camera before it reaches the filling nozzle. A cracked jar or contaminated interior.
8 jars filled simultaneously, each one stopping at the exact target weight. The precision is measured in grams every single time. 8 jars filled simultaneously, each one stopping at the exact target weight. The precision is measured in grams every single time. Every lid sealed with computer-controlled torque, tight enough to preserve freshness, precise enough to open without a struggle. The label goes on unlimited, and in that single moment, everything you have watched of every field, every machine, every step.
4 cameras, 4 simultaneous checks, every jar inspected in under half a second.
At full,
The checkware catches what the eye cannot see. Every gram counts, legally and commercially. An underweight jar never reaches a customer.
12 jars per carton pellets, packed by robots with precision no human hand could match at this speed. Thousands of cartons every hour.
one pallet, 120 cartons, 440 jars of Nutella.
Stretch wrapped and labeled, this pallet is now sealed, stable, and ready for global distribution. The factory's job is almost done.
The finished goods warehouse, holding millions of jars of Nutella at any given moment, ready to ship to 160 countries around the world.
They leave before most people wake up. By the time you open your kitchen cupboard through, this journey is already complete.
This video is created for educational and informational purposes using advanced AI tools and human activities. All concepts, scripting, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure originally visuals and animations are generated or enhanced using AI technologies such as VO3, Meta AI, and Rock AI. While final editing and post-production are completed using CapCut and other professional editing tools. Next, external criteria content has been copied or reused. Any reassembled to real-world environments, factories, or processes is purely coincidental. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows YouTube monetization guidelines.